are strong calls this evening from the Police Federation for protocols at public hospitals for members of the security forces. Romarda Lyons has that story.
Imagine a member of the security forces at a hospital, bleeding on a bench, waiting unendingly for medical attention. They don't only rush civilians to hospital. In many cases, officers are being rushed to the facilities for treatment, sometimes urgently after bizarre encounters with criminals. It's a reality highlighted by the Police Federation and why the chairman sent this message to the government.
Put the protocols in place for our policemen and women.
Protocols at public hospitals.
We can't be facing criminals and experiencing accidents and different incidents, and we are sitting in our uniform injured and nobody looking at us.
She laments that speeches and commendations will not arrest the issue at hand.
How could it be? Saying thank you at a public platform to police is not enough. That can't fix the business at the hospitals. We want immediacy. And that is what we are renewing the call for.
The force is currently dealing with the loss of several members all at once. Grief-stricken officers from the St. Catherine North Division and bereaved families had a service on Monday in their memory. Another reminder of the dangers faced each day they show up for duty.
We have lost 2 members from this division. We have lost 1 from St. Catherine, St. Andrew Central Division, and 1 from the St. James Division.
One of the officers was hit by a motorist while on duty. He died at hospital. Ms. McBean says motorists continue to use their vehicles as a weapon. That's why she gave this green light.
Any motorists believe they need to use the vehicle as a weapon, step out on them. You have Federation standing with you through the storms. Step out on them and use your training.
While she expressed gratitude to medical staff at hospitals for their service, she says the call for clearly established protocols isn't new.
It is something that needs immediate attention. And we continue to speak about this publicly. We continue to speak about this in our private meetings.
In the meantime, there's an in-house team providing medical assistance.
Lending support, ensuring that the medical needs and the care that members require, it is forthcoming and in real time.
Romarda Lyons, TVJ News.